Hi, hello, welcome back to our channel Geetka Tips and Timely Varieties. Today we are going to unbox a new thing which has been trending since the past few days. So let us unbox this item and unveil the secret. So this special item we have ordered in the Amazon website and we have received this afternoon at 3:30 p.m. So let's unbox this item. So let's see this special thing. So let's discover this item in 3, 2, 1, go. Here comes our Redmi Note 9 Pro, which has been trending past few days. Many are trying to buy this special phone, but only few of them are getting this phone. Open it. Phone looks awesome. Okay. Oh, great. So let us know the specifications of this awesome phone. So we are switching on the phone. So here comes MIUI 11. Life gets easier. So click on the arrow. Selecting the language. Selecting our country, India. And connecting to the network. So here comes our additional settings to be set up before starting the phone. So let's check out location, user experience, send diagnostic data automatically, personalized ads, automatic system updates. Okay, we are setting up the wallpaper. Well, this looks nice. Okay, we have to wait for some time. We should install these apps if we want to. We'll install the apps later. Let's know specifications about the phone. I think we need to go a long way. So our template is this and the phone is ready to use. So before going into the specifications, let us know what other items are given in the box. So there's a charger plug, there's a pin to add SIM card, and user guide about how to use the phone, and a panel card. Okay, truly flexible actually. Okay, charging plug and the wire, USB cable, I mean. That's all we have got in the box. So now let's jump into the specification. So coming to the specifications, we have selected the color Aurora Blue, which is the best thing to choose when you're looking for a good phone like Redmi Note 9 Pro, and it has a large display of 16.9 centimeters and 6.67 inches with rounded corner design and dot notch display. Qualcomm Snapdragon 720G octa-core processor with 8 nanometer technology coupled with MIUI 11 system level optimizations enables low power consumption for a longer battery life. 48 MP quad camera with high resolution camera. So let's look at this camera. Oh, it has got 4 cameras and a good flashlight, and we can capture some good photos with different lighting conditions. And under specification is that there's a under feature like ultra wide and super macro mode, while like it helps you in taking ultra wide photos with this super camera. 5020 large mAh large battery with 18-watt fast charger in box. So these are the main specifications. And coming to the software update of Redmi Note 9 Pro. Actually, I missed another thing is to be mentioned that the phone is of rupees 13,999. So before going into the software update, let us look into more features of this phone. It has got 48 MP rear camera with ultra wide, super macro, portrait, night mode, 960 fps slow motion, AI scene recognition, Pro Color HDR, Pro Mode, 16 MP face camera. It has got a memory of 4 GB RAM, 64 GB internal memory, expandable up to 512 GB with dedicated SD card slot, dual SIM, nano plus nano, dual standby. So let's go into settings. So as we have mentioned, it is upgraded with MIUI Global 11 system level 11 with Android version 10 QKQ 1.19.1215.002. So coming to the other settings, it has got security status, lock screen display, sound and vibration, notifications. It has got the same settings like under normal phones. And we have a separate account we can create called as MI account with our mobile number and password we have registered. So coming to the camera now. So it has got slow motion and short videos. We can shoot normal videos and normal photos. We can also shoot photos with 48 I mean like ultra wide HD quality, and same like on other phones, portrait. You can also shoot photos in the night mode, well, panorama, and you can also shoot the photos in the pro mode also. So this is our camera. It looks so clear and crystal. Well, I forgot another thing to say that this phone is suitable for playing games like PUBG, Free Fire, Fortnite, etc. Very well compatible for those games and for all those pro gamers, and it's the best phone for those type of people who always spend their time in gaming. So this is all about our phone Redmi Note 9 Pro, and don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel GTTV, and bye bye.